If you've ever wondered whether Outline or Affine can actually replace Notion in 2025, especially if you refuse to trust any big corporate cloud, then what I found while deploying both might surprise you more than their marketing does. Each one loudly promises privacy first, open source, and total control on your own server, but the moment real authentication, limits, and licenses came into play, the truth felt a lot more complicated. Outline, for example, simply refused to boot unless I plugged it into an external OAuth provider like Google, Slack, or Keycloak, which instantly kills the whole no-cloud dependency dream. Meanwhile, Affine placed a strict 10 GB storage limit and a 3-member cap even when running entirely on my own hardware, making it feel like a cloud-tier paywall hidden inside a supposedly self-hosted system. The strangest part was realizing that removing these restrictions required manual database modification, as if the local server wasn't meant to be fully unlocked without extra effort. Licensing wasn't any cleaner either. Outline uses a business source license that only becomes truly open after 4 years, while its documentation still markets itself like an Apache-style project, leaving a noticeable mismatch that users constantly question. And speaking of users, GitHub issues for both projects are filled with people confused, frustrated, or just trying to figure out why the behavior doesn't match the promotional slogans. So instead of crowning a winner or calling either one a failure, it becomes clear that both tools sit in this weird in-between space, more private than SaaS, but not as independent as the branding suggests. If you're trying to choose between them, the real answer might depend less on features and more on how much limitation, licensing tension, and hidden requirements you're willing to tolerate.